In this video I will show you how to use coupons on PonyBuy.com. First of all, open it and login, and after that tap on your profile picture almost right here on the right top corner and tap on the account option, and then we have 14 coupon, and scroll down and tap on coupon option right here, and after that we have all the coupons right here, and if you have a redemption code, enter it right here and tap on activation to activate it. And how to use coupons from here. So from here, the minimum price if you buy products worth of $56, you will get $7% off discount. And right here, if you buy $84 worth of product, you will get $8 discount percent. And from here we have the largest discount right here, which is if you buy products worth of $212 worth of products, you will get $22 discount price right here, and this will apply automatically when you buy any products above $212 right here. You need to make sure exactly the same price, and after that, that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.